So we've got pre-batched espresso in here. We're pouring it into a smaller vessel so that we can get the nanofoamer just a little bit deeper below the surface when we were pouring a single shot into a cup and trying to just foam it straight directly in the drinking vessel. We couldn't get the foam low enough. It wasn't sort of activating, wasn't sucking all of the liquid through, wasn't creating bubbles. So
Well, and for the nanofoamer to work properly, the liquid has to pass through the screen, right?
that is right.
Yep.
Yeah.
So there is a threshold.
So we're going a little bit over what we're going to be putting in the cup, almost like a double shot. We're putting inserting, and then let me dig on it.
It's a pour out.
It's a pour out.
So that would like it. Let's see if we get. Oh, wait. Keep going. We can see phosphate right there, very quickly, and tiny bubbles coalescing with the big bubbles. It's like honeycomb, isn't it?
Mm.